Listen now, friends. Unresolved conflicts damage our lives in three ways. Unresolved conflicts. Number one, it blocks my relationship with God. 1 John 4 and verse 20. How can you say you love God and hate your brother or your sister? If you have aught against your brother or your sister and you don't think about resolving the issue, and you move on day after day, and you are living in bitterness, you hold grudge and you hold malice against them. Friends, if you say you love God but you hate them and you seek no way to repair the relationship, the Bible says the truth is not in us. As a matter of fact, the Bible uses even a stronger term. It says you're really lying. Oh. Did you know, friends, that our relationship with people is connected to our relationship with God? Look at the 10 Commandments. 2 tables of stone. The first set, our relationship with God. The second set, our relationship with people. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not worship God, the Lord our God. Thou shalt not be a false witness. With God, in God's economy, it's all about the vertical and the horizontal. Our relationship with God, vertical, and how we relate to people, horizontal. Our relationship with people is connected to a relationship with God. A relationship with God is connected to a relationship with people. And so we cannot regard this with scant regard. If we have aught against our brother, we must find ways and means to reconcile. Is that right? Oh, I hear God telling us, friends, if we are Christians, God is saying, I have given you a ministry of reconciliation. Your life is about, what can I do to make it right? He has given us a ministry of reconciliation. He tells us again in Matthew 5, he says, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. So number one, unresolved conflicts damage our lives in 3 ways. Blocks my relationship with God, because we cannot be right with God and wrong with people.